Which cartridges should you buy for your Canon PIXMA TR160? Well, let's find out. To open the cartridge and location on this printer, you need to open the first lid, make sure the printer is turned on, and then you're going to lift this other lid until the cartridges are presented to you right in the middle. So as you see, by default, this printer takes the Canon 36 color ink cartridge and one black ink Canon 35 PGI 35 ink cartridge. I'll put links for these in the description down below in case you want to get them from Amazon. Usually it's the cheapest place to get them. Now the good news, if you want to save some money, there is also some third-party options that are cheaper than the Canon ones. Again, I'll put some links down below so you can get them. Again, from Amazon is usually the cheapest place to get third-party ink. To remove the ink cartridges, if you don't know, you simply have to pinch this small latch, lift it, remove it, take your brand new ink cartridge, simply align it, and then push it down so it locks in place until you get the red light appearing. Thanks for watching. Again, check my links, subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.